Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get horses in VRising. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our map first, and right here there's Donley farmlands, and if you go here from this Farbane Woods, it's over here, I'm right here, you'll be able to locate the horses, and I have one right here. It's this thing, and just simply walk close to it and press F. I'm gonna do it, but it's daylight, so I'm just gonna do it really fast. Let's try that. Hold F, and that way you'll jump on the horse. You'll be able to ride around with it. Press space in order to move faster, like this. You can hold it, and that way you'll move a lot faster. You can press tab, and that way the statistics of this horse will pop up. And keep in mind that you will need to feed it with water in order to keep it alive. So this one has 6 hours of life. Because I didn't give him any water, you can see its maximum speed, acceleration and rotation speed, and these are random. So if you just take any horse, they should have the random statistics for it. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.